Good evening. Video message for Barry. Barry, hi. Thank you ever so much for buying another saw, the 751. So I'll show her running one last time before I drain the fluids and box her up. And she's not run since the vid, so I don't know if that's 2 or 3 weeks ago, but so she's always started exactly the same for me. And so kill switch, throttle lock, choke, great compression as well. Oh. Make sure I've got the switch in the right place. 3 pulls. I really love the saw, Barry. They're getting so hard to find, complete, and yeah, they're just beautiful. Love to hear what you think of her. Many thanks again, and hopefully many more deals in the future. Bye for now.